Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Jeremy from Haasl Tools and I'm your YouTube Snap-on guy. And today I want to show you my Snap-on Area 51 survival kit. Got everything packed up here. I know it's a little bit early. We're not leaving till I think the 18th. Everybody's meeting on the 20th. So I just want to show you guys, maybe give you some ideas for when you're packing. A couple things I want to go over. We've been seeing some stuff online. You definitely have to have a permission slip if you are under 18. It's got to be signed by a parent. Make sure you check the box whether or not you're bringing lunch. That's very, very important. Also, this was in from the military and I got it here. It says, any attempt to illegally access a military installation or military training areas is dangerous. Make sure that you follow all the rules and stuff. They don't want you, I've been seeing this all over the place. They say, do not storm Area 51. Don't do it. And the reason for that is just safety. You know, you don't need people trampling over people. Just wait in line like, you know, and everybody will get in. It'll be awesome. Let's go ahead. I'm going to show you what I packed up here in my survival kit. Let me know what your thoughts are. You know, if you're taking some of the same things or you have different ideas, we still got some time to modify this. So let's go ahead and open this up. The first thing on top, this is a little hat light. It clips on the brim of my hat. And as you can see, there's a green light and there's a white light. So that's kind of, you know, neat if it's a low light situation. You can get in there, you can see things. You don't want to be, you know, maybe scaring the aliens, you know, if it's not real bright. So that's in there. I do have the Sawzall with an assortment of blades in here. I brought the shock absorber gloves. I'm not sure how the steering is on some of these craft. I thought instead of just a regular pair of driving gloves, I would get these shock absorbing gloves and bring them along. I like them a little bigger. I got the 2X size ones here. You know, a lot of us are not familiar with the aliens and stuff, so I did pack a couple of the mirrors. So not sure if you're supposed to look at these things directly. I also have one here. This one has a light on the end of it, so good for seeing around the corners. A UV light and some glasses. Some of these things, they might not be real visible to the naked eye, and I thought this will really enhance, you know, the whole trip. As far as some of their craft and stuff, getting it going, I got the Pass-Through Pro here with the cables. And I am bringing a whole assortment of keys because some of these things probably haven't flown for a while. So I have a whole assortment of keys that I'm going to bring along. That way you can go for some test drives, have some fun. Flashlight, gotta have a flashlight, and I got the new 2.5 amp hour battery. Some treats for Track Dog. I got some treats for me, some hot beef jerky. We have chocolate covered candy coated sunflower seeds. It could be a long wait in line. Whole cashews, salted, smoky jalapeno smoky sticks. Little pen light, and I thought I would bring along the Flamin' Snap-on Zippo because that's kind of cool. We definitely cannot forget about the cinnamon roasted almonds. I love these things. They taste like Christmas, man. It's awesome. And I'm gonna pack up some water and some other snacks when it gets a little closer. This stuff will save real good until then, but we'll bring some sandwich stuff, things like that. God dang it, right when I'm trying to record a video. What the heck is this? It says restricted number. Hello, it's Jeremy.
Is this Haasl Tools?
Yes, it is.
Look at your phone.
Well, what do you mean?
Look at your phone.
I am not going to Area 51. I am not going to Area 51. I am not allowed to go to Area 51. This was just a joke. I am not going to Area 51. We're not going to Area 51.